Realme GT6 AI, fastest growing smartphone brand in Europe. Make it real. And what do we have in accessories? And oh, that's unusual. Then the cable is at this compartment with a long, very nice cable. Well, it's nice because it feels very nice in the hand. And yeah, it looks nice. USB Type-C, very thick cable. A lot of manuals. Tons of it in many languages. Oh, why it's dirty. All right. And SIM card tray. And of course, a case, a silicon case. Listen, it is compatible with 120 watt charger. You know how expensive is the 120 watt charger? Oh, satisfaction. Well, the device itself is very slippery. The whole thing is a glass. Well, and of course it is a fingerprint magnet. 50 megapixel, 2 lenses, they are pretty huge, and a small with a flash on the back. Now, we do have a power button. Of course, the screen is a round screen. It's a bit of dust magnet. Right. Do we have something to clean it? Oh, whatever. It's on the correct height. It feels nice. But the volume buttons, you have to reach. At the top, we do have microphone, ear blaster, and another microphone. Oh, this is a speaker, most likely a mic. On the left, there's nothing, not even antennas. SIM card tray, microphone, another one. USB Type-C and a speaker. There's only one speaker? Oh, really? There's no way. We're going to test it out. Well, and of course, the front-facing camera. And there's a plastic pre-installed on the front screen. The device is powered by Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 with 5,500 mAh, 16 GB of RAM, and you can see the camera, NFC security SN22T. Alright, but what about the camera? Let me just... Street mode. What does that even mean, street mode? Okay, we do have A, which means... No, that's out of and manual focus. That's not AI. Alright. We do have video in a 4K 60, that's the maximum resolution for you have a subject. There you go. We do have a HDR, but only in 4K 30. Well, it's still pretty good. Extra video stabilization, but only in Full HD. And like you noticed, wide angle is only in 4K, Full HD 30. Full HD 30, that's for the wide angle. So, that LYT 800 camera, it's great, but the second and the third is not so great. And dual view. Okay, let me show you some samples for photo and video. Front facing camera, full length of my arm, video stabilization. It looks good. Autofocus is quick from the main lens. Unfortunately, no autofocus in wide angle. First impression. But how did it sound? Let's find out.
Feels like I'm lucid dreaming. I'm not usually the
Stereo speakers.
to rush into the night. This time I can't be speeding. I'm taking it slow.
That's pretty good. That's a really good quality stereo speakers. The whole device works very good. But no Google News. I'm not sure why they switched something in the menu. Maybe. Let me know in the comment below. I didn't find any feature to enable it. Function. Maybe I don't know. Camera itself, great in 4K video, day and night. Photos, but only in 4K. In Full HD is terrible. Front-facing camera is decent. The whole thing is a proper medium-range smartphone. This is not a flagship killer. It's nowhere near a flagship experience. You know what's near flagship experience? Price. Because at today's price, I have to pay 900 euros. Dollars. And that is insane. No charger, no Google News, crazy price. For 100 euros more, you could have an ultimate Android flagship experience. Vivo X100 Ultra. Just 100 more. And this smartphone is in a different league than that. But if you don't have such money and you still want that camera for half the price, I also have a link in the description. For half the price, Levo 8800. That is crazy. Maybe you don't care about the camera, maybe you want that processor. For quarter of the price of that device. Quarter. Basically $300. There's also such a device. Link in the description. An additional code for you. How cool is that? Full review coming soon. But for now, it's definitely an overpriced device. But you could say, well, in time it will drop the price. Of course. But those smartphones in the description will also drop the price.